Where has all the liquidity gone? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. It is Monday, October the 26th, and ugly. It looked like there might be a little bit of a turnaround after being down most of the night, but right now we are all around near the lows and everything except for the NASDAQ, and the NASDAQ is down, but it was actually up for a while after being way down overnight. So it doesn't look good at the moment, but of course we have a major lack of liquidity in these markets, which is why they zoom up and zoom down so fast. We are still long at the moment. Again, that could change tomorrow. It won't change today, no matter what happens. So we'll see where we go from here. In the meantime, it's an ugly picture at the moment. That's all I can really tell you. It doesn't look good, and we'll see what happens. Again, this lack of liquidity creates these very fast and very quick moves. So we'll be watching. The metals have been, flopping all over the place. Platinum's under a little bit of pressure today. Gold's been on both sides of unchanged right at the moment, flat, and silver's been slightly lower all day. We're still short across the board. Crude is getting pummeled. Unfortunately, we're still long, as you know. I hate that anyways. And I'm sure there's a pretty good chance that if we stay down here, we'll be reversing tomorrow. But in the meantime, right now, it is just ugly. And net gas is higher. We're long. Copper is lower, and we're long, and it's up from where we got in. Bonds and notes are higher. But it looks like, as we've been looking at the consolidation of all these markets, the grains and now it looks like the bonds, although they're higher this morning, maybe finally breaking out to a longer, bigger trend. We'll see. And of course, the dollar is a little bit higher. But overall, it's, a illiquid Monday, a week before the election, and it can bring us on anything. In the meantime, the grain markets are on both sides. Wheat's under a little pressure. Soybeans have been on both sides of unchanged, and corn's been pretty much near flat. But again, these are just buying opportunities. The grains are still trending higher, and we're still looking to be buyers. Meats are slightly lower across the board. They did open a little higher, which is not a surprise when you're going lower. We're short across the board. And unfortunately, again, I'd like to be a buyer at some point here. I will wait for the algorithm, but in the meantime, they look like they want to go lower. And in the softs, cotton is higher. We're long. OJ is higher. We're short. Coffee is flat. We're short. And corn, sugar is lower. We're long. And cocoa is lower, and we are short. So we'll see where we go from here. Again, as I say, it's an illiquid, quiet Monday, although prices are moving and look like they're doing a lot. So we'll see how it ends up. Wouldn't be a total surprise if we came all the way back and rallied from here, but we'll see. And again, I'm not going to predict. I'm just going to watch the price action, look for some opportunities during the day. In the meantime, don't forget about our partnership with Family Farms. Really looking forward to getting out on the road a little bit, and I've been working on a date, but it's just looking for the right couple of days to get to Iowa, Nebraska, and Kansas. So we'll get back to you as soon as we can on that. And if you'd like to know about it and more information, just email me at bubba@bubbatrading.com. Our brokerage partners, as you know, I have other brokerage accounts, but our partners that we prefer, CTG for commodities and options and futures. They do all of our letter direction. They're only ones licensed to do the letter direction trading for me. I use them for my own account. That's what I can say. They've got the best customer service in this industry I've ever had. And traders very similar to the equities and options world. Great customer service. But again, it goes back to the simple fact of $10 a month. How can I pass that up? And our commodity report, Andy Heck, continues to do a great job and lays out some great stuff. And right now, as I've told you, it's $100 a month, $800 a year. But it will be going higher on the 7th or the first Saturday of November. Either way you want to look at it. We will be doing a webinar introducing it all and showing you many of the dramatic changes that will make it worth more. But if you get in now, it's yours at the price you pay now. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And how about them Arizona Cardinals? Double winner. Not bad. Tonight, God, I hate to say the Bears, but I do believe it'll be the Bears tonight. I'm going to make a bigger play with the points plus the 6, but I'm also going to take a small play on the money line that the Bears may win this game straight up. In the meantime, again, have a great day. Be careful. Markets are lacking lots of liquidity. It's hard. They go fast in both directions, which means there's nothing in the way. There's a bunch of air pockets. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.